Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a Contact Us page to your Shopify store using the Dawn theme. Having a Contact Us page is super important for customer trust and engagement, so let's get right into it. Whether you're running a small business or scaling up, this page can be an essential part of your store. So let's walk through the process of adding it to your Shopify store with the Dawn theme. Alright, first things first, let's head over to Shopify.com and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll be brought to your admin dashboard. Now, to add a Contact Us page, we need to navigate to the Online Store section under the Sales Channels. From there, click on Pages. By default, Shopify may not have a Contact Us page pre-added to your store, but no worries, let's create one. If you're setting this up for the first time, you'll likely see an empty page here. This is where we'll build out the page with all the necessary sections. Next, let's talk about the Dawn theme. This is one of Shopify's most popular and flexible themes, but it may not always be set as the default theme for every account. If you've just created your Shopify store, you might have the Horizon theme instead. However, if you want to use the Dawn theme, here's how to add it. Head over to the theme library or the theme store. You can use the search bar to type in Dawn and it'll pop right up. Click on it and you'll have the option to add or try it out. Once you've done that, you'll be able to use the Dawn theme for your store. Now that you've selected the Dawn theme, let's click on Customize. Once you're in the Customize section, you'll see various options for modifying the look of your store. On the left-hand sidebar, look for Pages and click on Contact Page. You'll see that the Contact Us page is already set up with a contact form. If it's not visible for any reason, or you want to customize it, we can easily add a new section. To do this, click on Add Section and select Contact Form. This will create a simple, functional contact form that customers can fill out to reach you directly. If you're looking for even more advanced options, you can install a Form Builder app from the Shopify App Store. A form builder will give you more flexibility to design custom forms, whether that's adding drop-down menus, checkboxes, or even file upload options for customers. If you want to customize this page even further, here's what you can do. Go back to the Pages section and click on Add Page. From here, you can create a new template. Name it something like Contact and assign it to this page. After that, head to the Customize section again, and under Page Settings, select the newly created template that you've just assigned. You can then go ahead and save your changes. Now, your Contact Us page will be live on your Shopify store, and visitors can easily reach out to you through the contact form you set up. Don't forget to preview the page and test it yourself. Go to your store's front end, click on the Contact Us page, and make sure the form is functioning properly. You can also tweak the design further, adjusting font sizes, colors, and spacing to match your branding. And that's it, guys. You've successfully added a Contact Us page to your Shopify store using the Dawn theme. Having a clear and accessible way for customers to reach out to you can help improve customer satisfaction and build trust. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tutorials and tips. If you have any questions or need further assistance with customizing your contact page, leave a comment below. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.